Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddstamps.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about my Create With Me Club for December. So my Create With Me Club is something that I've started a while back, and it is a monthly subscription where I send you a packet of supplies and products to complete the projects that I've made for that month. It is a subscription, and so you sign up and it comes every month. You decide if you don't want to do it anymore, you can cancel, but you can also purchase it on a monthly basis. I will put the links in the description below for the subscription. I will put the links below for the subscription and also just for the monthly club. So the club comes to you as a packet of supplies, and I package it up kind of nice and give you a little treat. If you're a first-time subscriber, you get a little gift from me. I send you a PDFs and a video tutorial of me walking through every project that I put in my packet. All right, so let me flip my camera so I can show you what's in this month's packet. All right, so in this month's packet, you will get a full bolt of this beautiful garden green ribbon, chevron ribbon, a full packet of embellishments, which is the deer dots, and then the paper called Hobby Haven. And this is really fun paper. It's a specialty paper. You can see these are all die cuts, and I use these die cuts throughout every project. Let me show you the Designer Series paper. It's very cute. I love these books. So it's all hobbies. I like this one. It's so fun. I guess I could have flipped these around. So that is your paper. And the stamp set that I'm using this month, let me grab that. All right, so the stamp set that I use this month is called Banner Sayings, and it comes as a bundle. These are great little sentiments, and then a coordinating bundle you can see is all banners. So what I do is I send you a list of the supplies that I've used. So the ink pads, if you want to add that to your order for your month. The bundle. But let me show you the cards that we're going to make. You also get, so in this month, we are getting 8 cards, and there isn't enough for 2 each. So there's just 8 individual cards with envelopes. I will send you the envelopes, and of course we have to decorate them. And then like any pieces like this banner piece here, that will come in your kit and be ready to go. And it's my understanding that this banner punch might be on back order right now, and if that's the case, I'll make sure that you get the banners too. So I used all of the pieces, just the dies and some embellishments. They're cute cards. They turned out really cute. Kind of fun. Like this piece here, I'll send that in your kit. They all come, and then the envelopes coordinate. So you get a real variety here of cards. And this one uses some of the textured, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a texture to it. A textured cardstock that's in the new catalog coming up. All right, so that's my Create With Me Club for December. I will put the links in the description below for you to sign up. You can either sign up as a monthly subscription, save a little bit of money, or you can do it on a month-to-month basis, whether you choose to or not. If you do this monthly subscription and you go for 6 months straight, I will give you a $25 products of some great supplies to use in your projects. So I hope that works. If you haven't already done so, you might want to sign up for my newsletter. And I'll send you out information all the time about what I got going on. Anyway, take care, and I hope you have a great Christmas. Bye-bye.